Hello students, today we will discuss cell in MSc previous chemistry. In previous class we discussed difference between plant and animal cell. Today we will discuss chromosomes. At the time of cell division, the chromatin material gets condensed to form chromosomes. Thus, chromosomes represent the highly condensed form of the chromatin. Since in interphase the chromatin material is not condensed, chromosomes are not visible in interphase. Chromosomes are visible as thick threads only during cell division. Chromosomes can be best studied at metaphase stage of the cell division. Chromosomes were first observed by Hofmeister. The term chromosome was coined by W. Watlier in 1888. Chromosome is called genetic carrier or genetic vehicle as it contains specific segments of genetic information and serve to carry genetic information to next generation. In fact, the genetic information of a chromosome is contained within DNA molecule present in chromosomes. The information in DNA is present in small units. Such small units are called genes. Since DNA is present in chromosomes, genes are also present in the chromosomes. Number, shape, and size of chromosomes in a particular specific organism is fixed. For example, in human beings, the number is 46 in Drosophila. The number is 4 and in Pisum sativum, the chromosome number is 40. This is the diagram of interphase and division phase nucleus showing condensation of chromatin to form chromosomes. In this diagram, chromatin threads are present in this structure and this is the division phase nucleus. Now the structure of chromosomes. A typical chromosome shows following structures. First is centromere. Chromosome contains a primary construction of centromere. It shows a faintly positive Fulgen reaction indicating the presence of some DNA. Centromere is located in primary construction. During cell division, the microtubules of the spindle fibers are attached to the centromere. Therefore, centromere helps in chromosomal movement during cell division. Second is chromatids. At metaphase, the chromosomes consist of two symmetrical structures called chromatids. The two chromatids are joined together by a common centromere. The two chromatids of chromosomes are called sister chromatids. A chromosome may contain a single chromatid or it may contain two chromatids. Third point is chromonema. Internally, each chromatid contains a single long piece of DNA. This thread is called chromonema or chromonemata. It is highly called structure. Chromomeres. Some portion of the chromonema are highly dense and these are called chromomeres. These are heterochromatic regions present in the supercoiled stage. Since in division phase, entire chromatin is highly packed, the chromomeres are not visible but they can be seen during interphase. Chromomeres are best seen in polytene glands of some chromosomes. Secondary construction and nuclear organizer. Some chromosomes may have one more construction other than centromere. This is called secondary construction. It contains genes for the formation of nucleolus and rRNA. Hence, it is also called nuclear organizer. In man, section construction are found in 5 chromosomes 13, 14, 15, 21 and 22. These chromosomes are called set chromosomes because the portion of the chromosomes beyond the secondary construction is called satellite. Satellite, which are highly repetitive portion of the DNA, telomere. These are the extreme tips of the chromosome. These provide stability and protect the individuality of the chromosome. These prevent the sticking of the chromosomes with other chromosomes. Telomeres contain the ends of the long DNA threads. Haploid and diploid number of chromosomes. The gametes possess only one set of chromosomes and this number is called as haploid or N. A somatic cell usually contains two sets of chromosomes and therefore it is known as diploid or 2N. Some cells may contain many sets of chromosomes and these are called polyploid cells. Number of chromosomes in a particular species is constant. It may range from 2 to several hundreds. Some examples of diploid numbers are -man is equal to 46, P14, frog 26, rat 42, rice 24 and dog 78. Karyotype. The chromosome completely of a cell that provides the information of number, type, size and other characteristics of chromosomes is called karyotype. A diagrammatic representation of karyotype of a species is called ideogram. In ideogram, a haploid set of chromosomes of an organism are arranged in a series of decreasing size. Human karyotype. A normal diploid cell of human being contains 46 chromosomes arranged in 23 pairs. Of these, 22 pairs are autosomes and remaining one pair is the sex chromosome pair. In female, the sex chromosomes are similarly while in males they are dissimilar, XY. According to Denver, the chromosomes of human being have been placed in 7 groups from A to G. A diagrammatic representation of human chromosomes is as follows. Classification of human chromosomes. Chromosomal number 1, 2, 3, largest, almost metacentric chromosomes. Identification of chromosomes. Chromosomes vary in their size, arm length and position of centromere. However, until recently it was not possible to identify individually more than a few chromosomes in a given karyotype. With the application of modern techniques, it is now possible to identify various chromosomes. Even any abnormality in their structure can also be recognized. Some important techniques are given below. First is bending technique. Various bending techniques used to chromosomal identification are Q bending, G bending, R bending, C bending, and T bending, etc. So, this is all about chromosome in structure and functions of cell. Thank you.